Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Hello, my friends. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, my friends. Testing, testing. Can you actually hear me? So, new week, new day. We are going to start to find opportunities again. Okay, I have not really scanned through my charts. So right now I'm actually looking at all the instruments and see whether do we have any opportunities. Wow, PDD, what happened? Must be earnings. Yes, correct, it's earnings. Okay, so right now I'm actually scanning through everything. Then after that, I think tonight we might have some opportunities to start buying. Hello, friends. Are you all looking at any particular instruments or anything? Let me know if the music is too loud or something. Okay, guys, right now let's scan through all the instruments. Have you done your homework over the weekend? For me, not really. Yep, so right now I'm scanning through like every single instruments. Hello. Okay. Is there anything that you are interested in? Because the market looks pretty good right now, and I'm ready to buy more. Okay, SPY actually gap up today, which is a very good thing, and it's actually consolidating outside of this trend line, which is something that I'm actually looking for. So definitely today we'll get some opportunities to buy. Let me see. Okay, Tesla also gapping out of the trend line. So right now I'm just waiting for market to open, and then we should be able to buy from there. Okay, how about Nvidia? Okay, Nvidia, there's earnings this coming Wednesday after market close. So that means it's tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow after market close. So this might be quite a risky position. So if you want to buy Nvidia as of right now, if you don't have any positions, you are definitely speculating the market. Hey, Slim Shady likes the live. Okay, thank you so much. FH2000, thank you so much for the follow. So I'll be doing this live streaming every day as long as the market is open. Okay. Okay. Nvidia, yes, definitely it's a speculation. If you don't have positions and you try to buy right now, it might be a little bit dangerous. Yeah, unless you can, if the market spike up or down, either way 10%, either direction in at least 10%, if you can take it, you can definitely look into Nvidia. But for me, likely I will buy AMD. Okay, AMD is beautiful. It's definitely beautiful, guys. I have been talking about AMD since last week, and right now it actually came to the zone, although it broke out of the zone a little bit, but it still fulfill my criteria. So right now I'm actually looking for AMD to have more upside. And if you just look at the daily time frame, we are just right under this major resistance trend line, and we are actually consolidating under it, which is a very, very good thing. Yep, so if this breakout, I think likely it will actually break out of this major sloping down trend line. Then after that, we should be able to see more upside. Okay, what else? Okay, Intel totally can consider garbage, I guess. I do have a long-term investment in Intel, but it's still around my entry level, so I'm thinking of cutting it off already. Okay. Hi, my friends. If you all have any interesting instruments, do recommend to me, alright? So right now I'm actually doing all my homeworks. I'm actually just scanning through all the instruments. We have roughly about 6 more minutes for the market to open. More or less, I know that likely I will buy Tesla, Amazon, and AMD. Yep, Amazon. Beautiful. We broke out of the sloping downtrend line, and right now we are consolidating right outside of it, which is I have been mentioning about this instrument since last week. I think 2 weeks ago, maybe about 2 weeks ago. Yep, right now is amazing. I will definitely look into Amazon shortly. Likely I will buy it. Same thing for Meta. Is basically okay, all the mega tags or the Magnificent 7, they are all looking exactly the same. They have this, like, three-wave structure. So this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. And right now, it looks like it's going to give us another impulse to the upside. Yep. All the Magnificent 7, they are all looking exactly the same. Except for Google. Google, I think I have a position in Google, but I forgot to update. Yep, I have did I update? So if you look under my face, I think I have a position in Google. And if you look at my TikTok profile, I actually posted a video on Google. Where did I buy? Where was my entry? All that. It was super amazing. So I bought somewhere right under either this low or this low. And either one of these two lows. So if you can look at the video, from there you'll know exactly which low they actually bought Google. That is amazing. I'm still letting Google run, but for the rest of my positions, I've already gotten out last week. So right now I'm looking to add in again. Definitely looking for more upside, especially right now. Donald Trump actually paused the 50% tariff on the euro until 9th of July, which I'm not wrong. So, market is going up again. Last week, I think he said impose 50% on euro, right? Europe. Then after that, the market tanked. So right now, he said he paused, the market goes up again. Yeah, everything right now is very news driven, especially by the actions of Donald Trump. Our roti prata king. Okay, he likes to change his mind all the time. Okay, guys, you all have any interesting instruments that you are looking at? Okay, Palantir, beautiful. I'm still in Palantir. I have a remaining of 50% in it. It's not too far away from my initial took profit, so I took profit somewhere around here. So it's still not far, but definitely looking to add into Palantir as well. Yep, so today likely AMD, Tesla, Amazon, and Palantir. Yep, these four is actually on the top of my watch list. SMCI looking amazing. I think the financial risk for SMCI is likely totally all gone, right? Let's see, do we have anything? No, it looks good. It looks really, really good. Okay, we move on. XYZ. Oh, this was quite unfortunate. I took the breakout trade around here. So it came all the way down, breaking below this low, and it took me out for a loss before it went up. Yeah, so sometimes in trading, this is something that you will face. Yep, so I took a loss on XYZ. Okay. JP Morgan. No setups for me. CrowdStrike, likely long gone already. No setups as well. PNW, nothing. Spotify. Let's see. Okay, Spotify is looking pretty nice, even on a daily. Yup. So if you are someone who likes Spotify, maybe can wait for a small consolidation in this area before you look for more upside. I will continue on. Let's see Disney. Nothing much over here. How about PayPal? Okay, PayPal. Okay, PayPal is actually rejecting this very first zone nicely. So right now, of course, we have a gap over here. So PayPal might fill the gap before we start the upside. Okay. Okay, we continue on. Fastly, nothing for me. Roku. As of right now, I don't really like it. I don't like the structure of how it's actually developing. So Roku, not for me, but maybe PayPal, maybe. And so I will add an alert somewhere at $70, and of course 71.15 area. Yep. So if PayPal were to trigger 71.15, which is breaking above this high, I will not be interested anymore. But if it can comes down to roughly about $70 over here, I will look to buy PayPal. Something to keep in mind. So I've already set alert on both prices. Right now, just waiting for one of it to be triggered. And I will keep moving on, scanning through all the charts to see whether there's any opportunities or not. UNH, how about UNH? UNH is actually looking pretty nice. If you catch the bottom from last week live stream, you're very good. You're doing well. You're in profit, and definitely can watch around the 385 area. So wait for UNH to come to about 385. You can decide to take some partial profits. Okay, market is officially open. I will go back to the... Okay, is there any strength coming in? Let's take a look at SPY. So far, no. So we'll wait for a little bit more because we have quite a big gap up in the overall market. Of course, I'm not too sure whether it will continue going up or you will give us some consolidation. So right now I will scan through all the instruments that I'm actually interested in or I usually trade. So from there I will write down and see what can we get. Okay, nothing here. How about I love but so far, yep, no trades for me. Let's continue on. Okay, PayPal got triggered. It triggered the upside first. Yup. So PayPal might be going already. So let's see. Okay, most of the instruments that I normally trade, I've scanned through most of them already, and Lemonade seems like it's coming for a breakout pretty soon. So if my alarm gets triggered, I might look into Lemonade. Okay, we go back to SPY, see whether there's any strength coming in. Nope, instead it's coming down instead. How about QQQ? QQQ is also coming down. Yep, it's also coming down. Okay, Nvidia is also spiking down. Is there any news suddenly or something, or is it because of the gap up? So right now, market is actually trying to fill the gap before we start going again. Okay, how about AMD? Okay, AMD seems like it's going to retest the trend line. But of course, before we take any positions, we need to wait for a little bit. Okay, I'll take a look at my account and see is there any news or something. Okay guys, if you have any like instruments that you want to see, feel free to actually ask, alright? Yeah, I scanned through all my watch list already, and those are the few that I'm interested in. Tesla, AMD, Amazon, PayPal, and Meta. I think there's one more, but I've already set alert, so just waiting for the alerts to be triggered. Then I will take a look again. So far over here, I don't see any like major news though. I've been scanning through, but maybe we just need to wait for a few more minutes before it's being reported. Yep, so far I scanned back all the way to about 2 hours ago. Nothing over here though. Yeah, right now it's 4 hours really. I think it's way too the news is too far already, so we don't really have to look at that. But as of right now, I don't see anything major, which is actually pretty normal because we have a gap up in the market, right? Yeah, so market sometimes they will try to fill the gap. So if you look over here, last Friday we closed here, right? So today, Tuesday, because yesterday is a holiday, so the market actually gap up. So of course, it might come back to fill the gap before going up. But of course, this is quite a huge gap. So filling it or not, I'm not really sure. We will actually monitor for a while. What is happening to my TikTok live stream right now is saying trying to reconnect. Hopefully there's no issue, huh? Why is it trying to reconnect? Is it something to do with my internet? Hello. Video quality will be adjusted. Huh? Why adjust my video quality? No, TikTok, don't adjust my video quality, please. Please, don't adjust it. Okay. Oh, right now, where's all my live chat? Okay, my live chat is out again. My god, why it got disconnected? Okay, there's nothing wrong with my internet though. So far, everything is working fine. Okay, the market is pulling back a little. So right now, just wait for a little bit before we get more opportunities to buy. Tesla looks like it's going up. Amazing. What about the rest? Okay, I also have to take a look at my TikTok live stream. Let's see. How is it? How does it look like? Oh, I think I need to use the other account. Am I right? Is that how you do it? Okay, guys. Wait. Yeah? Why it got disconnected? What's happening? Come on, TikTok. Why are you always like this? What's happening to the TikTok live stream? What the fuck? Serious? Okay, I might be interested to buy AMD. Right now it looks pretty good. I'm just waiting for it to be load. Okay, let me just buy AMD as of right now. It looks beautiful. 108 point. Okay, TikTok is starting again. 109. 109. Let's try. 1005. 1002. Okay, 1002 for me reasonable. Okay, let's buy this. 1002. Okay, what's happening to my TikTok live stream? It's not loading though. Okay, I also have to pull this over. No, not here. Okay, I have to update my group because I'm buying something. So let's do it. What price did I buy? 113, 109. Target. Let's see. Target, let's set at 145. 145. Am I being filled already? Let me see. Am I filled? Oh yes, I'm in. I'm in. Come on, send it to Discord. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, very nice. Awesome. Okay, go live. Come on, TikTok. Don't do this kind of things. My TikTok is so slow today. Is there something wrong with the live streaming software? Oh, it's super laggy again. What's happening? Come on, TikTok. Why are you not letting me go live? Okay, no worries. I will scan through the other instruments and see whether we get any other opportunities. Okay, meta is coming down a little bit. Come on. Do layout does not support your graphic card. We are working on it. Huh? TikTok, are you okay? Okay. TikTok is not working as of right now. What's happening? Okay, Google looking amazing. Let's see what else. Your life? Huh? I got suspend again? Serious? Okay guys, I will end the live stream. I think I will need to reset everything.